Rimuru, watch. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. He became like a true demon lord, I think. He looks kind of cool, but he's still gonna get clapped, dude.
Ain't nobody worried. Ain't nobody worried, bro.
I bet money it's over within 5 seconds.
It's likely that Clayman is thinking of fleeing. I figured, little pussy.
Is that too bad though? Oh, Bill's. Oh yeah, you're right. He just suck it dry.
Eat that shit.
He's like, nah, I'm gonna gobble that thing up though. You must not know I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Yum, 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 yum. Delicious. Yeah.
He stole my bear technique. Dude, he literally just went, bang. And then
Oh, and we get the OST. Yeah, you like to see that. I didn't even realize he did steal his barrier technique. Wow. He said, you ain't going nowhere, brother.
Oh, he even made his own shit. Yo.
He stole
my
instantly.
Jesus. Oh, that was satisfying.
Bro, Rimuru was going crazy. Oh, he used thought acceleration?
Clayman. That's rough, bro.
Finally, man. Dude, imagine getting whooped by somebody that looks like he's like 12 years old. Damn, dude. Must feel bad.
He used thought on. He knows exactly what Rimmer is doing.
Everybody agrees.
Yeah.
Oh, he's on his knees getting beat, boy.
Does anyone oppose? Thank you, my good sir. Thank you. Look like they all said, hey, take him out. Cool.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I am. Of course, they're gonna have to miss the GO VA, but he's a hoe. He had to go.
Aww. It's like, I don't feel bad, man. Nobody fucks with that man, dude. Nobody cares about Clayman. I'm glad to see this man gone, bro.
Get wrecked. Do I feel bad? No. No.
Damn, he's gonna have regret.
He
for
wasn't even the
1,000
strongest
years.
person in his own alliance, fam.
Bro, first of all, who are you? Your person is, your servant is stronger than you.
Yes. Nah, put her on blast. Put her on blast.
I am Demon Lord. Yeah, no.
Valentine's disguised as a maid to hide her identity? Oh. Wait, what? Wait.
And she just said it out loud.
So they gave out the secret. we already sensed your aura. We knew.
Eh?
Hey, Veldora.
Oh, she got her own dress now. Oh. Now she looks like a gothic Lolita. I like her.
Oh, she's so pissed. What? It's not my fault. I didn't know. It was luminous. He's the demon lord I killed. Yeah, run that. One of the names Clayman called out begging for help was Kazalim.
Leon bodied him? The Curse Lord. Oh, really?
Was that fucking necessary?
Oh, God, get me on, ma'am. Oh, my goodness.
I love how we just have like this whole entire like round table after we just like murdered the fuck out of Clayman, right? That dude gone, all right? That dude Dunzo.
What?
Demon Lords can serve other Demon Lords?
Yeah. And I've been fighting.
Even Karian? Damn. Villain's all like, oh man, I didn't think it'd come to this, to be honest.
Oh. Rimuru, watch out. She's trying to take your bestie.
Okay. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness.
Nope. Did he even touch the table? Did he even touch it?
Boy, if you don't do that shit. Yo, I love that. Yo, I need to turn that in. That's got to be like a meme, like a GIF or something, bro. Like the.
Our new name, the right friends. Why he caressing his face like?
Damn, he got the moves, bro. I almost got seduced by this man just now. Whew. Shit, it's getting hot, bro. I'm sweating.
Yeah, this is who I was waiting. I thought he was gonna run into. He thinks he's the demon lord still. He doesn't realize that the other chick is.
Yeah, he gone, baby. He gone. But oh! Oh, they throwing hands. Oh! Oh, never mind. He just getting bodied, bro. Bro, you can't be gloating and talking like you was above him and getting bodied.
Oh, that nigga want the smoke. He really just pulled up and cracked that. Yeah. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh.
Oh, yes, please be strong as fuck. Yo, this man's strong as fuck.
You're already dead. Omaru mo shinderu.
I wonder if he's the one that does that technique then. Yo, he's gonna eat it. Or just bust it.
Shower in it.
Whoa! This dude pulled a Killua? Bro. Ah! Bro, he legit pulled a Killua.
You didn't do shit, bro. I'm saying you didn't do anything. Shut the fuck up, Maurice.
Oh, he's like that new volume. Remember you? I'm the reason I showed up.
The newest.
God damn, they been waiting? They're like, yeah, we got back. We just, you know, we stormed that shit, you know what I'm saying? Victory. Victory Royale.
Yo, Valdora's flight is beautiful. I'll be sipping for Valdora.
I heard.
Yo. Sorry, Shion. Valdora. He's so cool. How do you not fall for the charisma?
This was fire, bro. To be continued, man. Yo.
To be continued. Okay, when though? Got me a date?
I gotta wait. Probably like a year from now.